Sneaker Swerve with another unboxing for you. This right here is a 3-pound box. From where? Finish Line. Hit again on Finish Line. I don't know what it is. But I be getting shoes on Finish Line sometimes and something else. This right here is my first pair of these, I want to say ever, in a while. I don't know. You can hear that. That's bacon. We cooking. No, it ain't bacon. It's a hot link, but we cooking. Ooh, and you know it's a smaller box. You know what was recently came out. Ooh-wee. It's core purple, ladies and gentlemen. Ooh, you can smell that. That leather. This right here is a personal. I wanted so many more. I'm telling you, I really wanted, at least considering what we're going through right now with the pandemic. I wanted, man, probably like 4 pairs. I missed the restock. I missed the restock today from what I believe it was supposed to be a Champs today. Then Snipes, you know, I missed that one. But I'm gonna tell you off the bat, I'm a fan of these. Guess that New Jordan smell, you know. The leather on here. A lot of people say it's tough, it's rough around here. It doesn't feel like, it's not tumbled, but I will say, I don't think this is like this is good quality, bro. I will say, this is something that you can break in, bro. Like, I don't understand why everybody doesn't like breaking in shoes. It's ridiculous. You know, bro, it's a fresh shoe. You pay the money for the shoe, get it. I got this for $161 with $20 coupon at Finish Line. Gotta love it. It's gonna be a personal. Gonna keep these for sure. We got the regular, traditional Air Jordan logo. Definitely didn't like the stitched one on the pine greens. I thought that was whack. The color blocking on this is beautiful. The extra laces, everybody doesn't like. It's cool with me. I'm not a big fan. We're definitely gonna do the black, but this is a great shoe. Let me get you another look. Starting from the toe to the swoosh to the heel. Look at this. Stitching's great. Quality is great. Let me see what the production date on this is, because if this is anything, and then pandemic rate, this is 11/20/19. So yeah, these have been done for a while. So, ooh, the chemical smell is strong. But let me see here. Those Game Royals, if these were made on 11/19, the Game Royals probably made the same time around there. We're definitely gonna get those. I'm kind of, bro. If sneaker company, if they had these done by then, do you think they're gonna be stocking stores when the stores open back up? Like that'd be a hard one to say right there. I feel like Core Purples, Game Royals, there won't be any stocking stores. DMPs, I feel like there will be stocking stores. I've seen some people with the actual boxes in store with the video taking pictures, you know, employees and whatnot. I'm gonna say which business that was, but they definitely had those in the back. You know, they're doing the full family size run on the DMPs. These are going for a pretty nice profit. Nothing too crazy. Like you can get it for $225 stock X. So these are a cop. If you can still grab these on a restock, there should be some more restocks this week. Do it. Hopefully it's like a couple more. I really need to grab another pair. I really would like another 9, not for myself, just to hold. Like really, that's where we're at these days. Like this is a shoe I normally had 8 pairs, 10 pair at least, but due to the circumstances, no back doors. You know, I'm not to that level where I get the guaranteed back doors, man. So we just have to do with the multiple Chrome user jig to get these. So if you need any pairs other than these, check out the bio. In the description, we have a link to sneaker_swerve IG page, and then also the eBay page. I won't have these for sale, but I have some triple black Yeezys 350, Zales. Bro, we got some Strange Loves, a couple things out there that are, something you can spend your stimulus check on. So please holler at me. Let me know what you think. And also, I'm going to start doing on-foot videos. I'm going to drop a collection video as well. But let me know what you think, how you would like me to be more descriptive about my videos, I guess. Because I think I'm going to change the format, pretty much focus on the shoes a little bit more. I don't like being in front of the camera. But check it out. And kind of put that pre-warning. Great shoe. Once again, like, comment, let me know what you think. Are you going to try to grab these for resale? Or are you going to try to buy them during the restock? What's your thoughts on them? Are you not a fan of purple? Me personally, I don't wear a lot of purple, but this purple is a hit. If you can see, it kind of still is a little bit lighter, but it's a little bit of darker purple. It's a nice rich purple. So it's definitely a cop. Everybody, this is a versatile shoe. Everybody can wear this. If you're one of those finicky dudes, oh man, it's purple. I don't know. It's a feminine color, bro. Well, fall back, bro. Get fresh, bro. You're trying to, you know what I'm saying? These birds don't walk around with all these great colors for the feathers not to attract the female bird, bro. We fresh, bro. So holla at me. Let me know what you think. Sneaker Swerve.